The Cancer Council's functions include educating the public about reducing cancer risks, supporting research for treatments and cures, and also supporting people who have cancer.
Saving lives is one part. The other part is reducing the incidence. So if we can avoid people getting the diagnosis of cancer, then they're not going through that journey of treatment. Really, 40% of all cancers can actually be eradicated through prevention programs. So with these sorts of interventions, we can save millions of dollars or billions of dollars into the future. And so there's real benefits from both the government's investment point of view, but more importantly, of course, in terms of saving lives and reducing people's likelihood of getting cancer in the first part.
The Cancer Council have particularly targeted one area where prevention and screening are effective: skin cancer. The process begins with research.
If you look at the SunSmart campaign, for example, we track the Victorian population of their behaviours and attitudes and sunburn rates. We've been tracking that since the late 1980s. This research is incredibly important to enable us to be able to deliver campaigns to the right target group in the right setting.
The Cancer Council has used this research to develop a number of campaigns under the heading SunSmart.
One campaign we ran recently for the SunSmart program was called Tattoo, and it really was talking about the impact of overall, the impact of sun exposure on developing a melanoma. Skin cancers are not a fashion accessory, they can actually kill you, and melanoma in particular can metastasise and spread throughout the body. I mean, certainly we know if we're going to engage young people in our media, we have to create a campaign that's hard-hitting, and clearly the evidence shows us that people, and particularly young people, want this hard-hitting information delivered to them. If we're going to motivate behaviour in that age group, it has to be direct. We have to tell them exactly what the consequences are, and we have to really deliver the hard message. If we don't do that, we're really wasting our time and money and effort, because those soft messages just don't change behaviour.